Assalamualaikum class. Welcome to Rahbar Group of Institutions. Today I will take class 5 Mathematics chapter 12 Perimeter and Area. Last time we have seen the videos of perimeter and area. Now I will explain you. For example, this is a rectangle. Now first look what is perimeter. Close figure have a perimeter. Close figure have a perimeter. You know that the sum of the lengths of all the sides of a figure is called its perimeter. I explain you. Now this side is 5 centimeter. It means that this is also 5 centimeter. Why? Because the property of rectangle is opposite sides are of equal length. So this side is also 4 centimeter. Now I will explain you how to find the perimeter. These 4 plus 5 plus these 4 plus this 5 centimeter. 4 plus 5 9. 9 plus 4 13. 13 plus 5 18. So the perimeter of this rectangle is 18 centimeter. We move to second figure. This is the square. One side is given. It is of 3 centimeter. You know that in square all the sides are of equal length. It means that all sides are of 3 centimeter long. Now look. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 3 9. 9 plus 3 12. So the perimeter of this square is 12 centimeter. We move to third figure. Now this is the rectangle. I will show you how to calculate the perimeter of triangle. 4 plus 6 plus 8 centimeter. 4 plus 6 10. 10 plus 8 18 centimeter. It means that the perimeter of triangle is 18 centimeter. Now class, we will move to exercise or problem set page number 48 of textbook. Problem set 48 page number 68. Question number 1. Write the perimeter of each figure in the box given below it. Now class, look, this is the figure. Now I have shown you how to calculate the perimeter. Now this side is 14 centimeter, it is 7 centimeter, 16 centimeter and 20 centimeter. We have to add all these sides to find the perimeter. So look here carefully. 14 plus 7 plus 16 plus 20. 14 plus 7 plus 16 plus 20. It is 57 centimeter. Now second figure. All sides are given to you. We have to just add all the sides. Now look class. 8 plus 10 plus 6 plus 6 plus 10 plus 8 centimeter. Now 8 plus 10 plus 6 plus 6 plus 10 plus 8 is equal to 48 centimeter. Now the last figure. It is all sides are given to you. I write here 8 plus 8 plus 18 plus 12 plus 18 centimeter. 8 plus 8 plus 18 plus 12 plus 18. It is जब हम प्लस करेंगे we get the answer 64 centimeter. So this is the perimeter of this figure. It is 64 centimeter. Now we move to question number 2. Now question number 2. If a square of side 1 centimeter is cut out of the corner of a larger square with side 3 centimeter, see the figure. What will be the perimeter of the remaining shape? Now class, this is figure 1 and figure 2. This is our square. It is of one side 3 centimeter, means all are of equal length. Now in second figure, 1 centimeter is cut off from the square. Now this side become 2 centimeter, it become 1 centimeter, it become 1 centimeter, and this side become 2 centimeter, and remaining are as it is, means 3 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Now the question is, what will be the perimeter of remaining shape? इस पूरे शेप का हमें perimeter मालूम करना है. Now first we will find the perimeter of figure 1. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Now look. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. So it is the perimeter of figure 1 is 12 centimeter. Now I will calculate the perimeter of figure 2. First I will take these 3 plus these 3 plus these 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 and plus 2 centimeter. Now 3 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 centimeter. Now the perimeter of remaining figure is equal to 12 centimeter. Now class, we move to next part of this chapter, that is formula of perimeter and rectangle. Formula for the perimeter of rectangle. Now class, look at this figure. Perimeter is equal to length plus breadth plus length plus breadth, means length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. Opposite sides of a rectangle are of same length. Opposite sides rectangle की equal होती है, same होती है, means this equal to this and this equal to this. So the perimeter of a rectangle is equal to twice the length plus twice the breadth. Twice the length plus twice the breadth. Now twice the length, twice the breadth. Now the formula is perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 multiplied by length plus 2 multiplied by breadth. Formula for the perimeter of a square. Now class, this is the figure of square. Square means all sides are of equal. The length of all the sides of a square are equal. Therefore, the perimeter of a square is equal to 4 times the length of its side. Therefore, the formula for finding the perimeter of a square is equal to 4 multiplied by the length of one side. Problem set 49, page number 70 of textbook. First question. How much wire will be needed to make a rectangle 7 centimeter long and 4 centimeter wide? Wide means breadth, long means length. Solution. We have to write the formula. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 multiplied by length plus 2 multiplied by breadth. I have drawn this figure for you to understand the word problem easily. Suppose this is a rectangle. One side is 7 centimeter given. Next breadth is 4 centimeter given. Now I put the values. the length is 7 centimeter plus 2 multiplied by breadth is 4 centimeter. First we will multiply 2 into 7. 2 7 जा 14. प्लस को हम एज इट इज कॉपी करेंगे. 2 4 जा 8. नाउ 14 plus 8 it is 22 centimeter. Means wire will be needed 22 centimeter. नाउ क्लास, इसमें सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ है क्वेश्चन को समझना और राइट द प्रॉपर फार्मूला. फार्मूले को आप लर्न कर लीजिए. नाउ आई विल मूव टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. If the length of a rectangle is 20 meter and its width is 12 meter, what is its perimeter? इस क्वेश्चन में we have to find the perimeter. Suppose this is a rectangle. Now 20 meter it is length. Width means breadth. It is of 12 centimeter. You know that opposite sides of rectangle are of equal length. Means this 20 meter means this is also 20 meter. It is 12 meter. It means that opposite side is also 12 meter. So first write the formula like this. Now put the values. 2 multiplied by the length is 20 plus 2 into breadth it is 12. 2 20s are 40. प्लस की जगह प्लस 2 12s are 24. 0 plus 4 4. 4 plus 2 6. 64 meter. Therefore the perimeter of a rectangle is 64 meter. Now question number 3. Question number 3. Each side of a square is 9 meter long. Find its perimeter. Now suppose this is our square. One side is given, that is 9 meter. Right. So write the formula first. Perimeter of square is equal to 4 multiplied by length of one side. So write the formula as it is. Length of one side is given to you, that is 9 meter. 4 9s are 36. 36 meter. So the perimeter of a square is 36 meter. Okay class. Question number 4. If we take 4 rounds around a field that is 160 meter long and 90 meter wide, what is the distance we walk in kilometer? Now class, understand the question first. अगर हम एक खेत के 4 राउंड लगाते हैं जिसकी हमें लेंथ दी गई है 160 मीटर लॉन्ग एंड इसकी ब्रेथ दी गई है 90 मीटर, सो व्हाट इज द डिस्टेंस वी वॉक इन किलोमीटर? तो हम कितना फासला तय करेंगे? हमें इसका आंसर देना है किलोमीटर में. सॉल्यूशन. पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगुलर फील्ड. इंफॉर्मेशन के हिसाब से ये जो फील्ड है मतलब खेत, इसका जो शेप है उसका शेप कैसा है? रेक्टेंगल के जैसा. सो पहले इसका हम पेरीमीटर मालूम करेंगे. पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगुलर फील्ड इज इक्वल टू 2 multiplied by length plus 2 multiplied by breadth. Write the formula first. 2 multiplied by लेंथ हमें कितनी दी गई? 160. 2 multiplied by breadth. ब्रेथ दी गई हमें 90. फर्स्ट हम ऑपरेशन मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे, देन एडिशन. 2 zeros are 0. 2 6 are 12. 12 का 2 कैरी 1. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 3. 320. 2 zeros are 0. 2 9s are 18. नाउ अब हम इनकी एडिशन करेंगे. 0 plus 0 0. 2 plus 8 10. 10 का 0 कैरी 1. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 1, 5. It means 500 मीटर ऑफ डिस्टेंस इज वॉक इन 1 राउंड, यानी एक राउंड में हम 500 मीटर का डिस्टेंस तय करेंगे. बट हमारा क्वेश्चन है हमें 4 राउंड की इंफॉर्मेशन फाइंड आउट करनी है. देयरफॉर डिस्टेंस वॉक इन 4 राउंड इज इक्वल टू 4 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 500. 4 zeros are 0. 4 zeros are 0. 4 5s are 20. Now it is 2000 मीटर. यानी हमारे को 4 राउंड में 2000 मीटर डिस्टेंस तय करना है. बट वी हैव टू गिव द आंसर इन किलोमीटर. सो 2000 मीटर मीन्स 2 किलोमीटर. Now class, we move to next question, that is question number 8. Now class, 4 rounds of a wire fence have to be put around a field 60 meter long and 40 meter wide. How much wire will be needed? एक खेत है, एक खेत को हमें चारों तरफ से फेंसिंग करना है, मीन्स तार लगाना है ताकि एनिमल्स एंटर उसमें ना कर सके और फील्ड को डिस्ट्रॉय ना कर सके. इसलिए हमें इस खेत के चारों तरफ से 4 राउंड लगाना है वायर के, फेंसिंग वायर के. नाउ हमें इसकी फील्ड की लेंथ दी गई 60 मीटर एंड इसकी ब्रेथ दी है 40 मीटर. हाउ मच वायर विल बी नीडेड, तो हमें कितना वायर लगेगा इस फील्ड को 4 राउंड्स लगाने के लिए. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन द फील्ड इज ऑफ rectangular shape. So the perimeter of rectangular field is equal to 2 multiplied by length plus 2 into breadth. Write to as it is. Length हमें दी गई है 60 plus 2 into breadth. Breadth is 40. 2 zeros are 0. 2 6 are 12 plus 2 zeros are 0. 2 4s are 8. Now अब इन दोनों की एडिशन करेंगे वी गेट 200. सो 200 मीटर ऑफ वायर विल बी रिक्वायर्ड फॉर 1 राउंड ऑफ फेंसिंग. एक राउंड हमें करने के लिए वायर लगेगा 200 मीटर. लेकिन हमारे को क्वेश्चन में कहा गया 4 राउंड्स, हमें कहा गया 4 राउंड्स. सो वी विल डू द क्वेश्चन लाइक दिस. देयरफॉर length of wire required for 4 round of fencing, 4 multiplied by 200. 4 zeros are 0. 4 zeros are 0. 4 2s are 8. 800 meter of wire will be needed. Now class, I have explained you 4 or 5 questions. Now the remaining questions are your homework. Class, copy these questions and explanation in your notebook. Watch the video of this chapter 2 or 3 times ताकि इसे आप आसानी से समझ सके. Now class, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज. See you soon.